This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Pebble interior, sleeps 8, Skylight, Slideout, oven, microwave, TV, external shower, LP detector, CO detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is 7,394 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.